Alright, here's 2 units at this little shop. Here's an Armstrong here. Has a scroll. Got a champion. It's got, I believe, a scroll as well. Yep. Alright. Dad is faded on that Armstrong here. I'm not getting back to the champion unless it's over here. No, it's in the back, so I'm not. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. Okay, here's some Carrier 30 CKCs outside the window at a shop. Those are probably like 1.5 tons. Alright, thanks for watching. Okay, here's 2 like ICPs. I haven't ran in a while, or run in a while. Like that. That's cute. Anyway, I'm not gonna go out there. Oh wait, it's at on this one. I'm not even sure what that's from, but there they are. They look like 2 tons. Alright, thanks for watching. Here's a few air conditioners behind an alleyway. Got a Heil LG 2017 4-ton temp store. Not gonna get the data, not on the airflow or whatever it is either. Doesn't have a data or a logo, but it does have an Emerson Copeland scroll. And then here's a Mitsubishi Electric. So yeah, not sticking around these alleyways that long. Oh wait, what the? Bro, that is weird. Wait, it's a Temp Star logo. I don't have one yet. Oh well. I would love that logo, but here. It fell. This is gonna stay. I'm not gonna steal it. I just put it on the Mitsubishi. But yeah. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out. But wait, there's probably gonna be more, so yeah. Guys, here's 2 Temp Star ions. They're inverters. They have a compressor blanket. On one of these, okay. 2023 4-ton. 18's here. Okay, and then here's a Duquesne. Okay. Not gonna be here long. Alright. Thank y'all for watching. Here's a Temp Star real quick. It's got an Emerson 2020 2-ton. I'm not feeling the lines. There it is. So thank y'all for watching.